Executive, Federal Parliament, Judiciary. The Prime Minister of Nepal is the head of government and chief executive of Nepal. The Prime Minister is the chair of the Council of Ministers of Nepal and the chief advisor to the President of Nepal. The Prime Minister is a member of the House of Representatives of Nepal and is the highest-ranking federal officer within the government. The Federal Cabinet headed by the Prime Minister is appointed by the President of Nepal to assist the latter in the administration of the affairs of the executive. The Prime Minister has to enjoy the confidence of a majority in the Pratinidhi Sabha and shall resign if they are unable to prove majority when instructed by the President. The residence of the Prime Minister of Nepal is in Baluwatar, Kathmandu. The seat of the Prime Minister is Singhadarbar since the time of Chandra Shamsher Jung Bahadur Rana. The basic monthly salary of the Prime Minister of Nepal is 77,280 Nepalese rupees. The Prime Minister of Nepal has a term limit of 5 years. The current Prime Minister is KP Sharma Oli. Since the 15th of February 2018, the position of Prime Minister of Nepal in modern form was called by different names at different times of Nepalese history. At the time of the Shah dynasty, either Chautaria, Kaji or Mulkaji served the function of prime ministers. In 1806, the position of Muktia was created by Rana Bahadur Shah, which carried executive powers of nation. Muktia is formed from two words, Mukhya and Aktia. Mukhya means chief and Aktia means authority. Altogether it means the executive head of the state. Muktia held the position of executive head till adoption of title of Prime Minister in 1843 AD. The first Muktia to title himself as Prime Minister, as per the British Convention, was the last Muktia Mathabar Singh Thapa. Mathabar Singh became Muktia as well as Prime Minister and Commander-in-Chief of the Nepalese Army in November 1843 by the declaration of second Queen of Rajendra, Queen Raja Lakshmi Devi. During the Rana dynasty, the position of Prime Minister was hereditary and the office holder held additional titles. Maharaja of Lamjung and Kaski, Supreme Commander-in-Chief of Nepal and Grand Master of the Royal Orders of Nepal. Muktiar Bhimsen Thapa was the first person to be referred to as Prime Minister by the British. Similarly, historian Chitranjan Nepali writes that the first institution to hold all state powers was the position of Muktia, which was established after King Rana Bahadur Shah returned to Nepal from Varanasi. However, historians believe that Kaji Damodar Pandey was the first person to hold power as a prime minister. As the modern system of administration originated in Nepal with the emergence of Damodar Pandey. Damodar Pandey was the most influential Kaji since the fall of Regent Chautaria Bahadur Shah of Nepal from central power in April 1794 by his newly active nephew, King Rana Bahadur Shah. During the minority of the King Gavan Yuddha, Damodar Pandey took over the administration as Mulkaji, or Prime Minister, with complete control over administration and the power to conduct foreign affairs. He set a significant precedent for later Nepalese history, which has seen a recurring struggle for effective power between king and prime minister. The main policy of Damodar Pandey was to protect the young king by keeping his unpredictable father in Banaras and to play off against each other the schemes of the retired king's wives. By 1804 this policy had failed. The former king engineered his return and took over as Muktia. The character of government in the Kingdom of Nepal was driven from consultative state organ of the previous Gorkha Hill Principality, known as Bharadar. These Bharadars were drawn from high caste and politically influential families. For instance, Tharghar in previous Gorkha Hill Principality. The nobility of Gorkha was mainly based from Kshetri families and they had a strong presence in civil administration affairs. All of the Prime Minister of Nepal between 1768 and 1950 were Kshetris with the exception of Ranga Nath Paudyal. Being a Brahmin, Bharadars formed a consultative body in the kingdom for the most important functions of the state. As councillors, ministers and diplomats, there was no single successful coalition government as court politics were driven from large factional rivalries, consecutive conspiracies and ostracization of opponent Bharadar families through assassination, rather than legal expulsion. Another reason was the minority of the reigning king between 1777 and 1847 that led to establishment of anarchical rule. The government was stated to have controlled by regents. Muktiars, an alliance of political faction with strong fundamental support. At the end of the 18th century, the central politics was regularly dominated by two notable political factions, Tarpars and Pandays, per historians and contemporary writer Francis Hamilton. The government of Nepal comprised per